Okay guys, before we get started, I'm just gonna go over everything that I'm gonna be using today in our video. So I am gonna be using our black faux leather for the back of the earring, and then for the top of the earring, I'm gonna be using the cherry glitter that's part of the Valentine's Day pack, where you can get 18 sheets of amazing vinyl. Half of it is HTV and half of it is adhesive. I'll be making two different hearts, so I'll be using the Fabric Grip Pink Matte at custom setting faux leather for the black, and then I'll be using my standard grip matte for the glitter. I am gonna cut the glitter on cardstock, and I'm gonna flip it down so the glitter side is down, the clear shiny side is up, and I'll be mirroring my design for this one. Also too, I'll be using these earring backs that I got from Hobby Lobby. I have the earring backs, and I'm going to be using a double jump ring just to give the heart a little bit more of a length when it's hanging from your ear. I'll be using the cooling block because our glitter is a cold peel. I have my jewelry pliers that I'll be using. I'll be using my weeding tool with a hook because there are little die cuts in the heart design for the glitter that's going to go on top of the black faux leather. I will be pressing the HTV glitter onto the black faux leather. So I've got a cork, kind of like a heating pad here, and then my Teflon paper, or you can use parchment paper, and I have my home iron. So I'm gonna get started. Here we go. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Leave me some comments, and we are gonna get started on the super cute glitter faux leather earring combination. Okay, now that I have my hearts cut with the black faux leather, one little trick that I am gonna do is I'm gonna take out my blade just to check to make sure that there's nothing on there before I put in the glitter HTV. And I'm gonna change my dial to cardstock just because the glitter is a little bit thicker. I'm gonna set this over here, and I'm gonna get ready to cut the next mat. Okay, now that I have weeded out all these little pieces, that is why the Tweety light comes in so handy for all these little die cut pieces. I'm going to be taking my black faux leather heart, and I'm going to be pressing the pink onto the black so you can see how you can get the black to give you a little bit more structured of an earring with the faux leather, and then putting the glitter on top for a little bit more jazzier look with the die cuts with the glitter. So here we go.